Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to clear formatting in Excel column. So let's start this in my Excel, and here you can see I have a data with the different formatting. So here I'm going to remove the formatting of column. So let's start. The first, select the entire column. You can select the drag with the mouse, and you can use the shortcut key to select the entire column. First, select the first cell and use the Shift Control down arrow to select the entire column. Okay. After that, go to the Home tab. In Editing group, in Clear option, just click on this drop down arrow and click on the Clear Formats. And that's it. You can see the entire column formatting is removed. Okay. The second way, I select here the cell and I use the shortcut key Shift Control down arrow to select the entire column, and you can use here the shortcut key to remove the formatting. Use the shortcut key Alt-H-EF and that's it. The formatting is removed. So hope you understood. If you like, please subscribe. Thank you so much.